Sacred Heart Cathedral in Tarawa Atoll, Kiribati. The Sacred Heart Cathedral is a religious building of the Catholic Church that is located in South Tarawa Atoll on the island of Tarawa, part of the island nation of Kiribati in Oceania. The Sacred Heart Cathedral is the seat of the Bishop of the Diocese of Tarawa and Nauru, Diocese Taravana et Nauruna, which was created in 1982 to replace the Diocese of Tarawa and Nauru Funafuti of 1978 and Diocese of Tarawa of 1966. It is under the pastoral responsibility of the Bishop Paul Eusebius Mayakaya. The cathedral is impressive, with nice local touches and the original bells outside to the right. There is also lots of other things around. The Women's Center, about 50m to the left as you look at the cathedral from the street, has some great local crafts, and you know the profits are going to help break a cycle. Like all churches on Kiribati, Sacred Heart is pewless. The locals prefer sitting on the cool lino floors. The lack of furniture gives the churches on the island a feeling of openness and space. Wonderful! Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.